Right here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to do a little quick unboxing of the new Nest thermostat. Now this is the fancier version we just had announced a little while ago, and they were kind enough also sent me the back plate for it as well, so I'm excited to put that together. I opened this up already myself just to look at it because I wanted to double check how it would replace my Nest Thermostat E, etc. Then I put it back so I can pretend to unbox it here for you guys. So this is a neat little, what do they call this color? Sand. That's a very cool looking counter, or kind of mirror looking finish. Excited to see that put on. Now there's batteries for backup, I guess, in case power does go out. And you can see the pins that it'll use to connect into the back of the unit when it's installed. Instruction manual. If you're going to install it, you might want to read through these. And then we got some screws in there to put it on, etc. And interesting enough, a little level plate, because you don't want this to be not level and then this to be just slightly off skew. So what's nice is they've already given you the versions of what you want to connect in there, and you just can put your thing in there, put the cable in there, and unplug. So when I looked at my Nest E, they already have these labels. Very easy for me to just unplug from that one, plug into this one, so I won't need to worry about having any professional do it and make sure I've got the right connections and cables and stuff. So I'm excited about for that. And yeah, so once you have that installed on the wall, this can then just plunk itself just right into that. How does it do it? Yeah, just like that. I'm not going to do it now, and then you just can pull it off when it's done. Anyways, I'll have it on the wall in a bit, but this is now available on the Google store for $130. Pretty good buy, I think. Well, have a full review in a few minutes. Thanks.